And
thanks, guys. Hi there. You know, when I was younger, I used to like making toys that used to fire things at targets. And the other day, my son James showed me how to make one of these. It's what he called a bamboo musket. Now, I'll just load it with a pea, a dried pea for ammunition, and we'll just fire it at that target. Just about bullseye. Well, if you'd like to make one of these bamboo muskets, this is what you'll need. One large piece of bamboo, one piece of cane, some dried peas, a craft knife, a target, and a small saw. Well, the two things that you'll need, that's the piece of bamboo and the piece of cane. Now, there is a difference between bamboo and cane. Bamboo is the material that has a hole right through the very centre. And the cane, if you have a look at this piece here, has got a pithy bit right through the centre. There's no hole in the cane, but it is very flexible. Now, for the barrel of this firing toy, what I've used here is a large piece of bamboo. And in one end, I've drilled a hole right through. Now, this hole is large enough for a piece of cane to fit through and slot right through and slip through fairly easily. On the other end, in the front end, and this is the loading end of the musket, I've drilled another hole right through, as you can see. And this part here is where you load it, and you'll need to cut that out. Now, I've simply used a little saw like this, little hacksaw blade, and I've cut it away across there like that. And now I'm going to use a craft knife, and be very careful when you're using craft knives, and just simply split that bamboo along like this and remove that piece, like so. And you'll need to smooth off the edges, and you'll see there that what you end up with is quite a large hole at the top and a hole straight through the bottom there. Can you see that? Now the cane goes through both holes like this, and when it comes up and you flick that piece of cane up like that, can you see that? It flicks forward like that into the firing mechanism, or that part there, and it shoots the ammunition out the front of the barrel. Now, I'll show you this larger one, and you might get a better idea how it operates and how to load it. Here's a large piece of cane like this, stretched through the bamboo, and I'll just show you what to load into that. You could use lupin seeds or little peas. And simply drop the pea into the front of that loading part like this, and when you're ready to fire it at the target, just simply push up that piece of cane and towards the target. Now, you can, if you wish, make smaller ones and experiment with these. Here's one that my son James made, and this is a smaller one with a piece of cane, and we'll just load that up and I'll show you how it works again. And put the pea in there. And of course we're going to aim that and fire it at the target. Let's have a look at the target, because it's very important that you never fire these sort of target firing toys at people or animals. Simply make yourself a little cardboard target like this out of a small box, maybe set a few numbers to aim at, or maybe stick a picture of a person that you'd like to fire a pea at, and put it in a position, preferably outside. Aim it at the target. I'll just put that pea in, make sure that's in position, and fire it. So we'll catch you next time. Watching?